Hi guys! Ayan, we're here at Kalilayan. Kalilayan Cove dito sa Onesan. Ano Onesan ba to? Unisan, Quezon Province. So yan guys. Yan si Nathan. Nagsha-shower. Lapit lang kami dito sa pool area. And then, yan yung yung shower room, CR, yung bata. Yan. Ito yung amenity, isa sa amenity nila dito, ang swimming pool. Nathan! Where's your cup? You lost it? Ayan, nandun na. Yan yung pool area.
Sinusundan siya ng bata.
Why? Bakit?
Yung isda niya, pinapalinitan ng buhangin. Tapos binuhos. Yung doon, ayun pa yung ice cream ha. Sa kanya pala yun. Hindi naman nakita rin yung isda eh.
Ito yung
Catch a fish.
Pasok nila yung mga bag.
Ano kayo na po bago?
Ako pala naman talaga.
So, nandito kami sa beachfront sa Kalilayan Cove. Ayan, meron sila ditong mga activities like volleyball. Ayan, mga board games, I mean. So, yun guys, may mga ganyan sila. Yan ay tag 10,000 daw ang isang night. Yan. So, yan guys. Kita ko sa inyo. Malapit kami sa shower area. Tsaka for dito yung may sink dito for brushing teeth. Ayan. Meron naman dyan mga shower. Kung gusto mag-shower, pagbabae. Ayan. Yung Nathan namin ay nag-i-enjoy. Wow! You enjoy, me love? Are you enjoying? You're enjoying? You're enjoying, me love? You're enjoying, me love? You're enjoying, me love? You're enjoying, me love? You're enjoying? Nathan, you're enjoying, yes or no? Yes. You're happy? Yes, yon ang importante. Importante si Nathan nag-e-enjoy and happy, right? Where's your slipper? You wear your slipper. You wear your slipper. Where's your there's your slipper. It's ouchy talaga. Where is slipper lang?
Take a rest first.
You have so many sand pa, me love. The pool is open. You want to... Yan guys, maganda dito.
Okay, doon may mga grip.
Resto.
Wait, I need to wash.
Yan muna guys. Bye! Mamaya itutur ko kayo sa room namin. Bye!